Hello cuties, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see about farm animals. So, what are farm animals? Animals that are raised up in the farm for agricultural purposes are called farm animals. So, come let's see some of the farm animals like dog, cat, donkey, horse, etc. Dog.
Dog.
Cat.
Cat.
Cow.
Cow.
Goat.
Goat.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Hen.
Hen.
Duck.
Duck.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Pig.
Pig.
Horse.
Horse.
Donkey.
Donkey.
Rooster.
Rooster.
So, let's go to the farm and see the animals again. Are you ready, cuties? Etc. Dog.
Dog.
Cat.
Cat.
Cow.
Cow.
Goat.
Goat.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Hen.
Hen.
Duck.
Duck.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Pig.
Pig.
Horse.
Horse.
Donkey.
Donkey.
Rooster.
Rooster.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.